Hello, dear ones. Welcome. I'm Tiina Kivinen. Thank you for being here. This is a moon meditation and breathwork practice. So, as we're moving into the practice, if you are not aware of where the lunar cycle is at the time of your practicing this meditation, you might take a moment to check in. If you need to discover where the moon is at, and know that the moon can be anywhere in the lunar cycle to practice this meditation. I'll be offering a breath work practice, a pranayama practice that will draw upon the wisdom of lunar cycles to help calm and soothe and tap into the medicine of rest. So we'll be settling into the practice, perhaps from seated, perhaps laying down, or you could even choose a restorative yoga pose if there's a position or a shape that's calling to you that will help you foster this space of rest and connection. If you're sitting, you might sit up on a cushion. You might let your spine grow nice and long and tall, let your arms relax, hands resting in the lap or on the knees or thighs. You're welcome to close the eyes, and if you prefer the eyes open in meditation, just simply letting your gaze be soft either way. Begin to notice your breath. As you breathe, welcoming the natural rhythm of the breath. The way the inhale expands, the exhale releases. These smooth flowing waves of breath. As you pay attention to your breath, let your thinking mind relax. Letting go of the details of the day or of the world. Allowing yourself to simply rest into presence. As thoughts relax, awareness settles into the body. This breath connection initiates a relaxation response in the nervous system. Your body, your being knows how to move into rest and digest. So trust that this connection with your breath, simply noticing the breath, will help to signal your nervous system to make the shift into rest, into digest. A place of ease and presence. And as you're paying attention to the breath, noticing that your inhale elongates, the belly and chest expand. The exhale is long, slow, and relaxed, releasing on the exhale. And we'll practice counting the breath, moving towards sama, vritti, or equal waves breath. You might count to perhaps 4 on the inhale, and maybe 4 on the exhale. And you can make it your own pace of counting equally on the inhale, equally on the exhale. The inhale like a rising sun, the exhale a setting sun. The inhale like the waxing moon moving towards fullness. The exhale as the waning moon, letting go, releasing. And as you continue with this gentle counting of the breath, if it feels nourishing to do so, you might pause at the top of your inhale. You can even bring in a count, maybe of 1, 2, or even 3 or 4. And again, same on the end of the exhale, at the tip of the exhalation, could you hold the breath out for even a few counts? And then the impulse to breathe in naturally arises again. Continuing to practice this shaping of the breath using counting to perhaps 4 counts for each inhale, each exhale, and even those spaces in between the breath can be lengthened out if that's comfortable. Now I invite you to let go of the counting and yet maintain the shape of the breath. And with every inhale, imagine a waxing moon that illuminates and grows towards fullness. At the top of the inhale, imagine a full moon. The exhale, the waning moon, the light disappearing. To the end of the exhale, the dark moon phase, pausing in the stillness. Bringing in the waxing moon energy of growth and movement on the inhale, expansion that peaks at the top at the full moon, luminous and bright. The exhale, waning as nature releases, slows down to the pause, the sacred pause of the new moon or the dark moon, potent stillness. Continue to simply be with the flow of your breath and to feel these cycles of the moon, the lunar cycles, alive within the breath. Every inhale as the growth and movement towards fullness, just as we in our lives gather energy, take steps forward with momentum, flourishing, naturally blooming. Every peak at the top of the inhale marks the full moon, where we bask in the magic of being luminous and full. Gratitude, heightened energy, magic and aliveness, the peak of our light. And the exhale gives us that permission, just as the waning moon invites us to let go and to release and to reflect and to unwind, to slow down, where we bask in the stillness in between, that potent place of pause. And continuing to simply be with the flow of the breath, now letting go of any need to control it, but just noticing the natural, effortless waves of breath. And letting your awareness rest perhaps in the place where your current lunar cycle is. Maybe it's a waxing moon that is a movement of energy building and moving forward with your intention. Maybe you're basking in the light of the full moon and feeling grateful and alive. Maybe the waning moon is guiding you to take rest and refuge, or perhaps you're basking in the deep stillness, the nourishing darkness of the new moon. Wherever you are in the lunar cycle, could you let these next few moments or next few breaths be a time of connection? Maybe bringing in the image of a waxing moon or of a new moon or a full or a waning as a drishti point in the center of the forehead. Noticing that if thoughts come in, you can simply bring your awareness back to this absorption in moon energy. Be drawn to moon. Be drawn to this cyclical energy. Be drawn to this deep honoring of your own cycles, the cycles in your life, in your body, your own rhythms, and a sense of alignment and connection with the rhythms of nature, the rhythms of Mother Moon. Be open to this wisdom and this magic for the next several breaths. Let's bring a hand to belly and a hand to heart. A few more breaths here to give some love to yourself, to offer gratitude to yourself for taking this time to connect with moon wisdom, with your own wisdom, as you are connected with all of life. And this is the essence of yoga, this connection. And you're welcome, of course, to bask in this connection, in this state of stillness as long as you like, in the medicine of rest, or you might feel yourself starting to awaken, bringing in a little wiggle of the fingers and toes or a gentle stretch. Maybe you're fluttering the eyes open, bringing in the light, and I'm so grateful for your presence here. Namaste and thank you. Many blessings to you. Thank you for being here, and please leave a comment on the video. Just let me know where in the world you're practicing, maybe where the lunar cycle is right now, and how that wisdom and that connection may be landing for you in your life. Anything that you'd like to share. I love to hear your reflections, and know that I'll also be putting links into the description of this video, inviting you to explore the Moon to Moon Restorative Yoga Teacher Training a little bit more. If you feel called to deepen your experience of natural cycles, of connecting with moon energy, and of really creating rhythms of rest in your own life, then this may be a training you'd like to explore. With the School of Living Yoga, we have our beautiful faculty guiding the training, and it's a go at your own pace model, so you can join anytime. We like to start people before the new moon or around the new moon because it's such a beautiful time to start fresh and to begin the training and to move with the rhythms. But you can reach out and apply anytime and ask questions and put in your application or book an application call. We would love to hear from you at any point in the lunar cycle. And know that this training is a teacher training. So for anyone who has an interest in sharing the gifts of yoga, of restorative yoga with your community, not only deepening your own practice, which is a huge part of this training, but also being equipped with tools and resources that you can bring to your community, whether it's integrating into your life and your teachings already. Maybe you are working as a therapist, maybe you are already a yoga teacher, maybe you do some other kind of work, community building, where the art of restoration could be a part of that, then this training may be for you. We welcome people all around the world, and we have weekly connection calls as well, so that are optional. So there's the opportunity that if it feels nourishing for you to connect with other people, other beings, and be together in this journey, then this training offers quite a bit of opportunity for connection, but go at your own pace model where you can be diving into the course materials completely at your own pace and in whatever rhythm works for you. So the training really sets you up to connect more deeply with the natural cycles and to integrate the art of rest into your life. Exploring restorative yoga, exploring meditation, exploring yoga nidra practices that cultivate deep rest, pranayama, meditation with breath work combined. So there really is so much wisdom teachings and teaching methodology, all in a trauma-informed approach. Again, please reach out if you have any questions about Moon to Moon, and I would love to connect with you. We would love to connect with you at the School of Living Yoga. So very much love to you all. Thank you for being here. Be well.